Hello, I'm Sally Holland. I'm the Children's Commissioner for Wales, and this is a message for young people who live in foster care or a children's home, or who have left care in recent years. This is a really anxious time for everyone, no matter where you live or who you live with, but probably particularly anxious if you're living alone or feeling isolated or cut off from people that normally you're in touch with or who care for you. My message to you is that as Children's Commissioner, it's my job to make sure that you get all of your human rights as children and young people. That includes your rights to be listened to be looked after, to have the things you need to feel safe and healthy, and to live your everyday life. None of those rights have been taken away during this period, and you still have all those rights, even if the way that people deliver some of the help to you may have changed a bit. If you are finding life difficult at the moment, then please do reach out and ask for support and help. There is help out there for you. You might want to reach out to your social worker or your personal advisor. Also, you can reach out to Voices from Care, who have started all sorts of new support services for you during this period. You're still entitled to an advocate. That's someone to help you have your say and help get the right decisions made about you and with you. So please do ask, and our advocacy organisations are still there to support you. And my advice service is still available Monday to Friday, 9 till 5, if you're not getting the help that you need and that you have a right to. There's lots of information on my information hub, which is on my website, and that gives you all the information that you need to keep safe and well and hopefully happy at this time as well. I've been hearing about some worries that care leavers have at the moment, and I've been raising those regularly with government. They've promised me that they will be providing some new information and advice soon, and I'll make sure that that's on the special section on my information hub as soon as I get it. In the meantime, if there are other things you want me to be speaking out about or questions to ask, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Best of luck to all of you. Stay well, stay safe, and don't forget to reach out for help if you need it. Bye for now.